Messi is widely regarded as one of the greatest footballers of all time, if not the greatest. He has won countless trophies and awards with his club Barcelona, but his ultimate dream was to lift the FIFA World Cup with Argentina. After years of frustration and heartbreak, he finally achieved that goal in 2022, leading his country to glory in Qatar. In this blog post, we will look at Messi's remarkable World Cup journey, from his debut in 2006 to his coronation in 2022. 2010, the false dawn. In 2010, Messi arrived in South Africa as the reigning Ballon d'Or winner and the undisputed leader of Argentina. He was coached by his idol Diego Maradona, who gave him the iconic number 10 shirt and entrusted him with the playmaking role. Messi dazzled with his skills and creativity, but he failed to score a single goal in 5 matches. He came close several times, hitting the post and forcing saves from the opposition goalkeepers, but luck was not on his side. He did provide 4 assists, including a sublime pass for Tevez's opener against Mexico in the round of 16. However, Argentina's campaign ended in humiliation, as they were thrashed 4-0 by Germany in the quarterfinals. In 2014, Messi was determined to make amends for his previous disappointments. He started the tournament in Brazil with a bang, scoring a brilliant solo goal against Bosnia and Herzegovina in Argentina's opening game. He followed that up with 2 more goals against Iran and Nigeria, securing Argentina's place in the knockout stage as group winners. He also scored a crucial penalty in the shootout against the Netherlands in the semi-finals, sending Argentina to their first World Cup final since 1990. There, they faced Germany again, in a tense and tight encounter at the Maracana Stadium. Messi had a chance to win it for Argentina in the second half, but he dragged his shot wide of the post. In extra time, Germany scored through Mario Götze, breaking Argentine hearts and denying Messi his dream. Despite the loss, Messi was awarded the Golden Ball as the best player of the tournament Superscript 2. 2018, the disappointment. In 2018, Messi faced another challenge, to qualify for the World Cup in Russia. Argentina had a difficult campaign in the South American qualifiers, struggling to find consistency and cohesion under different coaches. Messi missed several games due to injury or suspension, but he returned for the final match against Ecuador, with Argentina needing a win to secure their spot. He delivered a masterclass performance, scoring a hat-trick in a 3-1 victory that booked Argentina's ticket to Russia. At the World Cup, however, things did not go as planned. Argentina were drawn in a tough group with Iceland, Croatia, and Nigeria. They drew their first game against Iceland, with Messi missing a penalty. They then suffered a humiliating 3-0 defeat to Croatia, leaving them on the brink of elimination. They needed a win against Nigeria in their final game to advance to the round of 16. Messi scored a superb goal to give Argentina the lead, but Nigeria equalized from a penalty. With 4 minutes left on the clock, Marcos Rojo scored a dramatic winner for Argentina, sparking wild celebrations among the players and fans. In the round of 16, they faced France, who had Kylian Mbappé as their star player. Mbappé scored twice and won a penalty as France won 4-3 in a thrilling game that marked the end of Messi's World Cup hopes. 2022, the redemption. In 2022, Messi had one last shot at glory. He was 35 years old and had announced his retirement from international football after losing 3 consecutive finals in the Copa America. However, he changed his mind and decided to give it another try. He led Argentina to the Copa America title in 2021, beating Brazil in the final and winning the Best Player award. He then carried that momentum into the World Cup in Qatar, where he was in sensational form. He scored 7 goals in 7 games, including a hat-trick against Poland, a brace against Saudi Arabia, and a penalty against Croatia. He also provided 3 assists, including a sublime pass for Lautaro Martinez's winner against the Netherlands in the semi-finals. In the final, he faced France again, who had Mbappé as their top scorer with 8 goals. It was a classic encounter, with both teams scoring 3 goals each in regulation time. Messi scored Argentina's first goal from a penalty, and set up Angel Di Maria's 3rd goal with a brilliant cross. Mbappé scored a hat-trick for France, including an equalizer in the 90th minute. The game went to extra time and then to penalties, where Messi scored Argentina's first spot kick. After 9 successful penalties, it was Mbappé who had to take France's 5th and decisive one. He stepped up confidently, but his shot was saved by Emiliano Martinez, who dived to his right and pushed the ball away. Argentina erupted in joy, while France collapsed in despair. Messi ran towards Martinez and hugged him, before being mobbed by his teammates. He then lifted the World Cup trophy for the first time in his career, kissing it and holding it aloft. He had finally done it. He had fulfilled his destiny. Lionel Messi is a World Cup legend. He has scored 13 goals in 26 matches at the FIFA World Cup, spanning 5 editions, 2006, 2010, 2014, 2018 and 2022. He is the highest goal scorer for Argentina at the Football World Cup Superscript 1. He is also the only player to register an assist in 5 World Cup Superscript 2. He has won the Golden Ball Award in 2014 and the Golden Boot Award in 2022. He has played the most minutes in World Cup history, 314 Superscript 2. He has also played in a record 17 World Cup victories Superscript 2. But most importantly, he has won the World Cup with Argentina, something that had eluded him for so long. He has cemented his status as the greatest footballer of all time.